Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to create your own AI avatar in under 2 minutes. With the advancement of AI technology, you can now create a digital representation of yourself that can interact with others in virtual spaces. Let's get started. Step number 1. Go to ChatGPT, create your script and simply copy it. Step number 2. Go to Elevenlabs.io and paste it select voice. According to your choice, you can also make some changes in your AI voice. I recommend to set it to default and click Generate. It will take some time, till then make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like the video.
Few inches later.
Once it's done, you can simply download it by clicking the download icon. Step number 3, go to Midjourney and make your avatar. I have created my own. I will provide my prompt in video description so you can easily copy and paste it here. Step number 24, go to DID and click on Add. Select your avatar. You can also write your script over here, but I will suggest you to upload your voice, which we created before. Click on Upload your own voice and select the file. It will take some time. Once it's done, click Generate. That's it. Simply download your video. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to follow for more. Bye.